Hello everyone, Catherine Bowie here, Director of Education at Pure Financial Advisors. Welcome to our March newsletter featuring current topics, company profiles, and of course, retirement tips. It's tax time and we want to get you prepared. Leading us off is Ryan Miller with Tax Planning 101 with the how-tos and current rules. Next in the financial tip, Kamel McDaddy dispels some common tax myths. Our free guide this month is Tax Planning. It's an amazing resource, so download it now. Next in Meet the Team, we have Paul Meyerhoff, Senior Financial Advisor. Paul sees retirement planning like a symphony, combining multiple instruments from taxes to investments in creating a harmonious plan. Would you like to see if you're on track in reaching your retirement goals? Find out with a free financial assessment with a Pure Financial professional and get all of your questions answered. We're a multi-billion-dollar registered investment advisory firm that offers fee-only fiduciary advice, which means we're on your side of the table, and that's the pure difference.